Hello guys, welcome to Technical Sharma YouTube channel, and this is the continuation of the last class. Okay, so in this class we are going to demonstrate the usage of constructor. Okay, so let me open Salesforce. Okay, so like those who are new, I'm going to show you from beginning how to open the developer console and how to create a class. Okay, so first we have to click on this setup, click on developer console, setup, click on developer console, and after that click on file, then go to new Apex class. Okay, so again I'll repeat, click on setup, click on developer console, then this pop-up will open. Click on file, new Apex class. Okay, and so we have to give the name of the Apex class here. Let me name this as employee. Okay, then after this click on OK. Public class employee. So now we, after entering the class name, will get a default structure of the class. Okay, so in this now let me declare string employee name semicolon, string employee name semicolon, string employee number semicolon, control S, save. So what's the problem here? We are declaring this variable, but the what mistake we are doing is we are giving a space, and because of this it's throwing the error. So we should not give spaces in the variable. So it's no string employee name, string employee number. Next, this is after declaring the data members. These are nothing but the data members of the class. Next we have to declare the constructor public employee. Constructor name will be same as the class name, and it will open with bracket and close with bracket. Okay, so what we have to do is, in this we are demonstrating the usage of constructor. So this is the empty constructor. Okay, so how we have seen in the last class, parameterized and non-parameterized constructor. So this is the non-parameterized constructor because values are not present in this, that's why. Next what we will do, we will declare employee name. So this variable we have declared here, we will assign this a value, employee name equal to, let me name it as Ram, and employee number equal to, let's say, 5 semicolon. So if it is a string, we have to use inverted commas. If it is a number, then we have to use like without inverted commas. But what we have got error is illegal assignment from integer to string. So this we are assigning a number, employee number is assigned with a string, but this is a number and this is string, so it should not be a string, it should be an integer. Okay, so next, public void show. We are using a method here. Name of the method, sorry, not semicolon, brackets. Public void show. So void will not return anything. Void will be like empty. Okay, as the name indicates, void is empty. Public void show, and then system dot debug. You'll get in the suggestions. System dot debug. Employee name. Employee name is plus employee name. Employee name is plus employee name. Next, system dot debug employee number is plus employee number. Okay, employee name is employee name, employee number is plus employee number. Okay, let's save this. So you will see star mark here. If star mark is gone, that means it's saved. Okay, so now click on debug, open execute anonymous window. Okay, so you have two options here, execute and execute highlighted. So if this is blank, here I have multiple things written. So in this case, if you want to call this class, then you have to use execute highlighted, because if you don't use execute highlighted, if you just click on execute, everything whatever present inside this will be executed. So use execute highlighted. So now I have to create an object. Okay, so employee e1 is equal to new employee. Employee e1 equal to new employee. Okay, next, employee, let's name this as e2. Employee e2 equal to new employee. Okay, then e1 dot what we are calling show. E1 dot show semicolon. E2 dot show. Okay, so now we have to call this class. Okay, what we have done, employee is the name of the class, this is the variable, equal to new, allocates the memory and calls the constructor. Okay, this is calling the constructor. So when it's calling the constructor, what will happen in the background, employee name equal to Ram, it will run this, and employee name, this global variable employee name will be declared with Ram. The value will be Ram now. and employee number, the value will be 5. Okay, now like whenever this is called, constructor is called, this will get loaded. This both will be initialized with these values. Employee name is Ram, employee number is 5. Now even.show, it's calling this method. Now it will come here, employee name is plus employee name. What we are using, we are using this variable here. Now this variable contains what? Ram. So Ram, employee name is Ram, will be printed. Next employee number is employee number. Now what this contains? 5. Then employee number is 5 will be printed. So how these things got the values Ram and 5? This it got because the constructor, when we created this object and then we called this like even.show, what happened is first this constructor got loaded. When the constructor got loaded, this value is assigned to this data members. Now from here the value flowed here. Okay, so this is the process which took place in the background. So now let's see the output. Let's select this, execute highlighted, click on debug only. So debug, employee name is Ram, employee number is 5. Employee name is Ram, employee number is 5. So 2 times it printed. Okay, so let's go back. So debug, open execute anonymous. Sometimes you'll be not log will not be showing up. That means you have not checked this open log button. That's why log is not showing up. Okay, so here we don't have to create object 2 times. We can create only once, and we don't have to call method 2 times. Call it only once. Okay, so employee e1 is equal to new employee e1.show. So what will happen? Employee name will be printed, which is Ram. Employee name number will be printed, that is 5. Select this, open, check this, and execute highlighted. Debug only. Employee name is Ram, employee number is 5. Okay. Okay, so I hope you have understood it. If you have any questions regarding this, you can post your comments and I'll be replying to that. And in this video, this much only. So let's continue in the next video. Thanks for watching my video, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.